Good morning, ladies. Are you guys alright? Good morning. Hi, I brought you some snacks. Let me see. Hey, stop. Just some extra stuff from the house. If I can even open it. Here you go. Just some random things. Try that. Since you can't get out in the grass. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, girls. Yeah, here, let me get this. How's everybody doing? Huh? Who's in the coop? Hey guys, come on out. Come on, I brought you some snacks. Come on. What did you guys do in here, huh? What's going on? Come on out. Anybody in here? A few eggs already. Couple eggs already.